Have you ever received a strata bill you weren't expecting? Let's talk about why that happens. Hey everyone, I'm Tahlia from StrataGuide, here to share practical strata insights that every owner should know. Today, we're discussing special levies and when they apply. Special levies are extra contributions raised by the owner's corporation when the existing funds aren't enough to cover major or unexpected costs. This can include emergency repairs, lift or roof replacements, or urgent building upgrades that weren't planned in the budget. They're usually proposed during a strata meeting, explained to owners, and voted on before being applied. In some cases, they help prevent delays in critical repairs that could affect the whole building. Before we wrap up, make sure to follow StrataGuide for more practical strata tips, updates, and easy-to-understand guides that help you stay informed as an owner or resident. That's all for today's Strata Insight. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode of Let's Talk Strata.